traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel in another episode of weekly gold update. We know that gold have broke out of its range and gave us a massive candle on Friday in NFP. Today we are going to analyze gold chart and find the possible entries and the possible path for the next week and how can we take entries in it. So before we start, if you guys are new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you guys never miss another update from my channel. Without wasting time, let's get on the chart, guys. Here we have a daily time frame chart. Now, as we had this resistance in daily time frame, and I was talking about that before any candle closes above it, gold is not bullish. Then gold just break out of it with a massive candle on Friday, and we have a break of structure over here and this bigger structure too. Now, what is the current resistance right now? Here, this is the current resistance. See, gold just closed daily candle just at that level. Now the current support levels, let's just mark out it here. This is also a support level, and the final we have this is also a good level. Okay guys, so let's just mark it green in all support. And the final resistance is here. Okay, so what can we see? We can see this gold just was trying to copy this price action over here. It was rejecting from this level of 2361. We can see this in daily time frame. It have many rejection from this level, and that level have give us many time a nice rejection. Another support level is also here, guys. We can't ignore it because we gonna need it in daily time frame too. We will just mark out in smaller time frame. Okay, don't worry. Now what can we see? This we don't have enough PA at this level because we have just this kind of rejection from this level. We have here, there was 1 2 3 and 4. Price tried 4 times to break this level, but it fails and drop to the level of 2327 here. Now what can we expect? We can expect a smaller retracement to the top of this. Now let's just mark out here. We can see this here, it's have support. Again, this is the level of support, so we can expect a retracement back to the level of 2376, and if candle goes for the deeper retracement, we can expect a tap at this support level. We can see this many rejection from this level. This is also a very important level in gold, 2361, and we have a demand zone here, so it will work very good for the bounce. And the second demand zone is here. Okay, so let's get on 4 hour time frame. In 4 hour time frame, what we see, we have SL hunting over here and price just shoot up. Okay, and we have break of structure. So if price takes retracement, we can expect first target at the top of this, which is 87, 77, then 61 and 27. Okay, and we know that gold have not tapped this support zone right here. This is our daily demand zone and this is support zone. Let's just hide it, we don't need it right now. And if we put fib from bottom to the current move, we can see this before 0.5 level we have this two important level, which is around, firstly this is the top of this 2369 and 2355, which is inside of this our first demand zone, which we have seen in the daily time frame. The second one is 0.618, which is around 2331 and which will tap this our support zone and our demand zone in daily time frame. Okay, so expect a retracement and again run back to the main resistance area, which is around 2423, and we can expect a drop from here. Until then, gold breaks its trend in smaller time frame, you can expect a bullish momentum to continue, because we can see these guys gold have just break out and the structure is changed. Now we can expect this was the low, this was the high, then it's create a higher low, and now it's create a higher high. Now we can expect a higher low formation near about 2331 to 61. We need to wait for the retracement and the tap at these levels, so we can expect a reversal formation right here, and then we can take a trade. Let's get on the more smaller time frame in 1 hour. In 1 hour we can see this is gold is rising right here. Now if retracement comes, then our first priority level will be 2361. We can scalp long at this level around 2376, and you can target for 30 to 50 pips bounce at this level. On Monday you can expect a liquidity grab above this high, then you can expect a drop. If drop happens, then we have already discussed about it, and if liquidity grab doesn't work and gold continues up really, then we can expect a near about the psychological level, which is around 2400. This is our psychological level. We can expect the tap at psychological level, and here you can have a smaller scalp first tap entry, and you can expect a retest at 2392 right here, like this. If gold gives tap at this level, you can short it to here for the tap retrace. And as we say, our main target will be buy for the next week in retracement. We will wait for the retracement, and if the structure changes in smaller time frame, we will short to for our bottom targets. Main area for the buy I have already shared in 4 hour. First will be here 2361, which will be the retest of this double bottom 2, and this is our demand zone. The first area of interest is 2361. Then the second one is around 23402, 2327. This demand zone is also good for buying. Your invalidation will be below this level because gold have created a new high, so it should not break this low. To create a new higher low, it should hold this low. So guys, that's it for today. I have covered all the things you need to know to have a position in next week. See you in the next week. Until then, keep trading, keep printing.